Yo, what's up, YouTube? So this is the HELLS Forge, double burner max propane forge by HELLS Forge, USA. Sorry if it sounds like a fax machine is going on, but this is it's my wife's washing machine. So anyways, so when you buy this, it comes packaged up, gives you the forge, comes with insulation, has refractory cement you got to mix up and coat it with this, give you a paintbrush to coat it, coat the outside. They give you 2 fire bricks, they give you the burners, they give you all the propane connections, they give you the regulator. The only thing you need after you buy this is just a propane tank. You get the regulator, about a 5-foot hose, the connections, the forge, refractory cement, fire brick, and just hook it all up. Before you insert this into these sleeves right here, they recommend that you connect all your propane, grab some soap water, which I had here, turn it on, let pressure go in, build up in there, and spray it down, make sure you don't have no leaks, which that I have already done. Tighten these down. So after you coat the inside of the forge with the Hellcoat, that's what they give you. It said to wait 24 hours and then turn the forge on, let it burn for 3 minutes, and then turn it off and let it cool down for about an hour, and then it's properly sealed. So that's what I'm going to do next. So here we go. This is my first time ever lighting a forge, so this is a little intimidating, but I think I'll be all right. I think I'll be all right. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Let's turn her on. All right, so that was a 3-minute burn. It's glowing. They said let it cool down for about an hour. Then it will be properly sealed and it'll be ready to be used to forge. So I hope you guys like that video. If you guys are thinking about buying one of these, they're really cool. On the actual website, HELLS Forge USA, I believe they have them for $290 something, $280 something, $279 or $379. I'll put it in the description, the actual price on it. They have it cheaper on Etsy. That's buyer's website, Etsy. They have it cheaper on there. If you email HELLS Forge and ask them if they could price match, they will, because that's what I did with this. And Elaine made me a promo code, matched the price from Etsy, and gave me their actual, and I bought it through their actual website. They prefer you to buy it off their actual website. So that's what I went ahead and did. Took about a week and a half for them to make it and ship it out. I was a little impatient. I kept emailing HELLS Forge, and the communication between Elaine was great. She was real patient with me. So shout out to her. And this is what it is. So go ahead and pick one of these up. This is way better than anything you could probably buy on Amazon. This thing's beast. It's all made in the USA with USA components. Everything is made in the USA right here. So support that. And there will be future videos coming of me forging some projects out. So if you're interested in that, give me a follow, subscribe to me, so that way you could get the notifications whenever I post up a new video. All right, guys. Peace.